So this is September 2nd or 3rd, and my peppers are, ripening up, and I'm gonna have to make all kind of sauces and pepper flakes and whatever, and I'm gonna pick them. So I'm giving you a nice little view of what's going on right now. As you know, I'm in Georgia, and come maybe later on this month, I'm gonna have to either get rid of them or bring what I can inside. I can't bring all of them because I have over 20 odd. But this is one of the Scotch Bonnet, as you can see, and I have these outside in the yard, and it's dark on this side. It's a little dark. It's morning, and the sun isn't up yet, and that's why I came out now, because the sun isn't really up yet, so I can get around. I'm gonna pick one for you, because I'm gonna pick them anyway. So here it is. This is the real Scotch Bonnet, Jamaican Scotch Bonnet. You see it? I see a lot of stuff on the internet and they say it's Scotch Bonnet. Those are not Scotch Bonnet. A lot of them are not Scotch Bonnet. Look at it. This one is. Alright, so let's go to the other one. I'm gonna pick this half ripe one, because I like them like that sometimes. There you go. Alright, let's go to the next tree. This is the other one. Something is wrong with this one. A lot of the leaves are falling off, and I don't know why. You see that? Yeah, so this is the other Scotch Bonnet. They don't bear a lot this year. So sorry I won't have a lot of seeds, because I gotta save seeds and I gotta send stuff for my son. So I won't have a lot of seeds this year to give away. Can't do too much bend down, we need them. Oh, let's pick one of these. See? They call it Scotch Bonnet because, it looks like a tam, a Scotchman tam. So that's why they call it Scotch Bonnet. Scotch Bonnets. So I'm gonna pick the rest of these, and I'm gonna make pepper flakes and stuff. I don't know if you want to see those videos. So here's some more of the peppers. This one is a ghost pepper. Look at it. Look like a ghost. It's wrinkly and gnarly looking. I guess that's why they call it ghost. Look at that. But this one, I have another one. But this one is like gold. I saw a guy here on YouTube eating one. So his friend sent it to him, and it's rare. I don't know. I ordered some seeds on eBay, and I don't know what I got. Because I actually ordered ghost pepper that was red. Purple, kind of. But this, let's look at one. Close up. Look at it. Really ugly looking, right? So this is a ghost pepper. They're crossing peppers now, so I don't even know what they create to make these. But as I said, I'm showing you because I'm gonna pick off all the ripe ones, and they won't be on the tree. But this one bore a lot, and still bearing, I should say, bear a lot, because it still has blossoms and young ones. Look, blossoms still and young ones. See, young ones. So, well, it can't go too long, right? Or it's gonna die. I'm gonna try and save this tree. I'm gonna try to save this one because they're really pretty. I like them. All right, so here's another one. I bought a pepper called Fatali, F-A-T-A-L-I-I, and I thought this was it, but this is almost looking like the ghost pepper. Yeah, so I don't know, but it's full of peppers. Thank God for that. I hear some people complain, oh, this didn't bear and that didn't bear. Whatever God give you, that's what you should take and accept. And thank God that it bear. So, if you know better than me, tell me if this is a ghost or is it a fatale. I wanted to have another variety besides the Scotch Bonnets this year. So I ordered, but this one here is still bearing and has a lot over on the other side over there. See? Still has a lot of peppers under here. See? Yeah. This one is that fat. People call it Scotch Bonnet too. It's another Jamaican pepper that I've had for years. I call it Scotch Bonnet, but it's not the real Scotch Bonnet. Because the Scotch Bonnet is like a Scotsman's hat, as I mentioned. And these don't look like a Scotsman's hat like these, right? These are the real Scotch Bonnet. This one here, I'm not sure. It has a purple. I pick a purple pepper off of it. So I like it. A reddish purplish. Now look at those. Those are my original Jamaican purple pepper. This is blooming up, and I have 3 of these now. This is ripening up. There's a lot of them. Let me pick one and show you. I'll pick these 2 because they're close together. Ooh. Look at that. Yeah, there's another video you see where when I was in New York, I was showing you how I was picking a whole lot. This tree is tall and it don't bear as much as the one in New York, but I'm glad for it. It has a lot on it. I don't need that much. So I'm gonna do seeds this week. I'm gonna seed them and do a giveaway for peppers. So I might have to do giveaway for different peppers. So depending on who want what. So I'll do a video about the giveaway and then I'll do one giving away the peppers. These are so fat. These yellow ones, the Jamaican, my Jamaican original yellow ones. I still call them Scotch Bonnet, but these are fat and big, and yeah, look at this one. Let's show you this one. See? It's hot and smells just like the Scotch Bonnet and hot just like it. So it's gotta be it. Maybe they crossed it with something, but anyway, these are Jamaican peppers. Put that one there. What else is here? Let's see. This is another one here. I am not sure what type of pepper this is, but it's a nice hot pepper. All the peppers are hot, all of them. Let's pick another one. I was thinking, I didn't buy one, but I was thinking it's a pepper called Pita Pepper. But I don't think this is it. It got a little bend at the foot there, most of them. Anyway, let me put that one down there. Let's go to another one. Here's another of my original Jamaican purple pepper. Really nice pods. Look at them. Really nice. And it was ripening up and I didn't even realize. I had it on the ground between other stuff. And it has a lot on it too. Still has a lot, and I see blossoms too. But I'm gonna pick off the blossoms because it can't be blossoming at this time. I don't know if I can save this one or I'll have to get rid of this one. But here's the one I call the fatale. Still has a lot of pods on it. Lots of pods. Getting ready to extract seeds from these Jamaican chocolate Scotch Bonnets. Man, that pepper is hot. I got more, but I'm just doing a certain amount at a time. I did some Scotch Bonnets already, the yellow one. And I also did some others, fatale and the ghost pepper. So I'm extracting them and I'm gonna package them in this container and put them to dry. So we'll see. I'll continue doing this for days because I have a lot of pepper. Something is eating the leaves of this pepper. Now, this is another one that I am not sure what the name is. Don't know what the name is. It's big and fat. And I don't know. I bought some pepper Trinidad. Well, I have Trinidad Scorpion. I bought Bahamian goat and some others. I wanted the island peppers. And it's bearing so much like most of the others. But look at the color. Let me pick one. I'll pick a fat one. The bearing. It's bearing. And the other one, there's another one here beside it. It's the same thing. Oh, this is yellow. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize this one was yellow, but they look the same. I mean, the same type of pepper. Oh, that wasn't beer. That wasn't. So I'm in the sun. Let me get out of the sun a little bit. Yeah. What type of pepper is this? I don't know. It's fat. I don't know what Bahamian goat look like. I'm gonna have to go on the internet and look. I don't know if this is it. But I never had this before. This is a new one. But it's all hot. They're all hot because I tried them. I tried them before. Yeah. So this is another pepper. I'm not sure. It's a small size pepper in a little pot. But I'm not sure what these are. These are yellow. And they're cute. They're very nice. And they're hot. But I don't know what type of pepper they are. Let me show you close up. Don't know what type of pepper these are. Bought seeds, and sometimes they don't send you what you order. Or mix them up. Anyway, these are hot and that's what I care about, that they're hot. Because I put them all in my If you know what this pepper is, let me know. If you think you know. There it is again on the tree. There's the tree. And there they are. There's another purple. This one is in a big pot, not 5-gallon container. And it's ripening up. Okay. And here's another limb down here with a lot of ripe ones. It's very brittle. You gotta be careful with pepper because it'll break off. Let me pick 2 of these. I'll show you. Here's another one. This one is well ripe. So, yeah, sometimes you see them better when in the shade. Fat and curly. And this is another one. I have about 4, right? Of the Jamaican purple chocolate or chocolate pepper. They call them Jamaican chocolate. Really pretty pepper, and they're hot, but they're nice to put in soup and so on. My son loves this. My daughter loves this one too, along with the Scotch Bonnet, because of the flavor, and it's hot. It's hot, but it's flavorful, if you know what I mean. All right. So that's another one of the peppers. But I'm going to show you something that I don't know if you've ever seen before, but I've never seen this pepper before, and I don't know what it is either. And it's on this tree over here. Well, let me put these peppers away so I can hold the camera. I picked a lot of it, and I'll show you when I get inside. When I show you some of the peppers I've picked, because I've been picking lots of peppers. So here's under here, you can see under here. Oh, I can't get it. Look at them. Let me pick this one. This one is well ripe. Those others are not that ripe. It's very light and it's very ugly. And it's very wrinkled, like like an old person's face that's really wrinkled. Yeah, and it's hot as, I don't want to say the H word, but it's hot. As I tried the one when the first one that ripe, I tried it. Cut it and touch my tongue on it. Who tell me to do that? I was burning up. I had to get all kind of stuff. Milk didn't do nothing. There it is. There they are. Lots of them there. It bears so much. And there's a lot of limb under here. Short it is. Look at that. There it is. Yeah. So look at this wrinkled pepper. I don't know what the name of this pepper is. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's a ghost. It's a part of the ghost family. You can look under here. Look under there. Look at those. It has lots of little limb. Look at this one. But when they're ripe, they turn. This one is really ripe. Let me pick this one. Here's another one. Let's look. See? It's very wrinkled. I have a lot inside. I'll show you some of what I picked. And these beer, they bear so much. I have a couple of trees around the yard. And these are cayenne pepper brought from New York. Those in New York, these are quite big, but some of them sometimes are bigger. So I have more of those, but those are all the different types of peppers I have. There's some other ones in front coming up. I'm not sure. Well, this one is this one. I have some that I pick inside. Don't care for it because it's not very hot. It's banana pepper. There's more of this under here. I'll pick some of them. See? That's a big one. But it's hot as you know what. In the upcoming clip, you're going to see the peppers I've been picking for the past week and a half. I have cut some already and I'm cutting up more for different things that I'm making. Making pickle and I'm making sauce and I'm also going to make pepper flakes. I love to have pepper flakes in the house. We're going to eat, we sprinkle it all over the food. So I've been cutting them up. Oh man, I've been suffering. Anyway, I take it day by day and I'm saving all the seeds for you guys so you can, for some of you, I'm going to do a pepper giveaway so you'll get to see, some people will get, I'll create a video just for that so you can sign up under that video. I'm going to create it in another few days. You can sign up under that video to get to win seeds. I can't give everybody that ask. It's too many people. I wouldn't have any seeds left. So make sure you look out for that video. Sign up underneath it and we'll do see who gets some. We'll do a giveaway thingy. Anyway, thank you for watching my channel and my peppers. And please also check out my other channel, Claire's Garden Adventures. I will link that below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. And could you please also click the like button. Thank you very much for watching.